Today I want to show you a really easy way to find the asymptotes for tangent graphs. So the big picture, we're going to take our horizontal transformations from the equation and we'll set them equal to the asymptotes of our parent graph, y equals tangent x. Basically, this will apply the horizontal transformations or the horizontal movement to our vertical asymptotes. All right, so just a little bit more detail here. You'll get your horizontal transformations from the equation. They're the inputs in the tangent function or whatever's in the parentheses. So here it's shown as bx minus c. You'll take that and you'll set it equal to the vertical asymptotes of tangent x. And those happen at pi over 2 plus pi k, where k is an integer. Okay, so that'll show up like this, bx minus c equal to pi over 2 plus pi k. And all you'll have to do then is solve. Okay, so this is the part we want to take, and let's look at an example. We're going to find the asymptotes for the equation y equals tangent of x minus pi over 2. So all we need to do is take the inputs of the tangent function, our horizontal transformations, x minus pi over 2, and then we're going to set them equal to pi over 2 plus pi k, the parent asymptotes of y equals tangent x. That's an easy enough setup. Now we'll solve for x, and all we have to do for that is add pi over 2 to both sides. Okay, so we see when we do that, of course it cancels on the left side, we're just left with x, and we combine like terms here, so we can do pi over 2 plus pi over 2 is 2 pi over 2. Okay, so that's just pi, and then we have the plus pi k term hanging out there. Now this equation will give you all of your asymptotes for your graph. I will walk you through substituting in a couple different integers for k in case you want to see that. So the first easy one, k is 0. That will give you the asymptote when x equals pi. You just plug in k equals 0. All right, so that gets you one asymptote. Let's look at the asymptote generated when k is 1. Okay, so we have x equals pi plus pi times 1. Okay, so that gives you the asymptote at x equals 2 pi. One more, I'm sure you're getting how it works. If k equals negative 1, we have x equals pi plus pi times negative 1. So that turns into pi plus negative pi. So this gives us the vertical asymptote at x equals 0. So that's really all there is to it. Hopefully this makes asymptotes much easier for you. Be sure to subscribe for a lot more help with asymptotes, graphing, and all sorts of other topics. Thanks for watching.